If you're a weather buff, you need to hear this. If you live by the coast, listen close. A single night changed Belize forever. It began as a whisper over warm Caribbean waters. Then it became a roar. By late October, Hattie exploded into a major hurricane, a compact savage machine of wind and water. On the night of October 31st, it struck Belize City full force. Streets became rivers, wooden houses were splintered. A storm surge swallowed whole neighborhoods. Hundreds lost their lives. Thousands were homeless. The city's waterfront, once the island's heartbeat, lay broken. The scale of destruction forced a remarkable decision. Belize's colonial government moved the capital inland, founding Belmopan. Hattie didn't just wreck buildings, it rewrote the map and the story of modern Belize. Relief ships arrived, emergency crews arrived. The country began the long work of rebuilding, slowly, stubbornly, together. Today, memorials keep the memory alive. Stories keep the memory alive. Great storms leave scars. They also spur change. So when you hear a storm on the radio, remember Hattie. Nature's fury and the resilience that follows. Short, sharp, unforgettable. That fun.